Hello my dear friends. I hope you are well. I talk about car news every day. Okay, let's go. VW dealers want answers on Scout EV brand after being caught off guard. VW dealers were surprised to learn last week that the German automaker would produce a pickup and off-road SUV in the US under the Scout name. Volkswagen dealers were left angry, shocked and suspicious by surprise news that the brand's German parent plans to build a new company in the US to sell an electric pickup and SUV under the Scout name. Not least because Volkswagen AG was silent on how it intends to retail the vehicles. What effect do you think this news could have? Post your feedback in the comments to share your analysis. Mercedes-Benz dealership opens driving school for teens to build loyalty. Since 2014, Mercedes-Benz of Sugar Land in Texas has sent more than 260 teenagers through a driving safety school that uses an array of Mercedes vehicles. The teens learn skills such as reversing, evasive lane changes and braking adjustments at the MSR Houston racing facility. The dealership says the exercises show the students safe driving and accident avoidance techniques and let them experience extreme situations in a controlled environment. Subscribe to my channel now to have all the car news of the day as your first person. Okay, did you do it? Okay, let's go. Japan's Subaru to build its first electric vehicle factory. The logo of Subaru Corporation is pictured at the 45th Tokyo Motor Show in Tokyo, Japan, October 25, 2017. Tokyo, May 12, Reuters, Subaru Corp. 7270.t aims to build a dedicated electric vehicle (EV) factory in Japan in the late 2020s, it said on Thursday. As part of a $1.9 billion ramp-up to respond to surging demand for battery cars in its main North American market. It plans to launch a mixed production line of gasoline and electric vehicles around 2025 before opening an EV-only production line in the new factory after 2027, it said. The move would be a first for Subaru. Other Japanese automakers have yet to formally announce plans to build a dedicated EV factory. If you enjoy watching the video, like and share it with your car fan friends.